Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you 5 free alternatives to FL Studio for music production. Let's get started. First on the list is LMMS. This is a powerful open source music production software available on Windows, Mac, and Linux. It includes a piano roll, beat editor, built-in instruments, and plugin support. Everything you need to start making music for free. Next is Cakewalk by BandLab. This is a professional level DAW for Windows. It offers unlimited audio and MIDI tracks, VST plugin support, and advanced mixing tools, all completely free. Third, we have Waveform Free by Traction. It's a modern DAW with unlimited tracks and support for third-party plugins. It's great for producing beats, electronic music, or full songs. Coming in at number 4 is BandLab. This one runs directly in your browser or mobile app. It includes loops, instruments, effects, and even collaboration tools, making it perfect for quick music projects. Finally, there's Ardour. Ardour is a powerful open source DAW for Windows, Mac, and Linux. It offers advanced editing, routing, and professional mixing tools for more serious music production. And that's it. Those are 5 of the best free alternatives to FL Studio. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.